How to install Microsoft Teams on mobile. Get ready to collaborate from anywhere. Installing Microsoft Teams on your iPhone is the first step to connecting with your colleagues, classmates, or friends. Let's get it set up quickly. First, unlock your iPhone and find the App Store. It's the blue icon with a white A in a circle. Tap on it to open the App Store. At the bottom right of the App Store, tap on the Search tab. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Teams. Locate the Microsoft Teams app in the search results. Tap on the Get button or the cloud icon next to it. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password to begin the download and installation. That's it. Microsoft Teams is now installed on your iPhone, ready to connect and collaborate. Like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips.